In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create 10Web AI account. By the end, you'll have a new account set up and be ready to let 10Web's AI help you build a professional WordPress site. First, open your browser and go to 10web.io. Make sure you're using a modern browser for the smoothest experience. Once the homepage loads, look for the Get Started button. Click it, and if you see an option for a start free trial, choose that. Otherwise, select Sign Up. 10Web typically offers a free trial so you can get going without entering payment details right away. Next, choose how you want to create your account. You can sign up with a Google account, which is the fastest, or use your email address. If you choose email, type in your email, create a strong password, and click Create Account. A good tip here is to use a unique password and consider storing it in a password manager so you never lose access. Now verify your email. Head to your inbox, find the message from 10Web, and click the verification link inside. If you don't see it right away, give it a minute, refresh your inbox, and check your spam or promotions folders. Once you click the link, your account will be activated. After verification, you'll see a few onboarding questions. You may be asked about the type of website you plan to build, your experience level, and your main goal. Answer honestly. These details help the AI tailor the setup to your needs. Whether you're building a business site, a portfolio, a blog, or an online store. From your new dashboard, select AI Website Builder. You can start from scratch or choose to recreate an existing website by providing its URL. Pick the option that matches your plan. You'll then enter some website details, add your business name, your industry, and a short description of what you do. If you have a preferred style, you can include that too, though it's optional. Keep your description clear and specific so the AI can generate a layout, copy, and design that fit your brand. Once you submit this information, 10Web's AI will begin generating your website automatically. When the setup finishes, you'll land in your dashboard. Here you'll find the website editor for visual changes, hosting settings for performance and security controls, page speed tools to optimize loading times, and a link to your WordPress admin panel for deeper customization. At this point, your 10Web AI account is ready to use. Explore the editor, preview your pages, and make any initial tweaks so you're set for the next stage of building.